In this video, you will learn the way to simply restore the NAS shares in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. Vinchin now supports restoring NAS backup data to NAS share or file server. Before we begin, please make sure you already have NAS backup data, and you have added target NAS shares or file servers as a restore destination in Vinchin Backup and Recovery. First, let's log into Vinchin Backup Server Web Console. Go to NAS Backup Restore page. The 4-step wizard will guide you through the whole restore process. Step 1. Choose a restore point. All available NAS restore points will be shown here, including full backup, incremental backup, and differential backup. Choose the files or folders you want, and click Next. Step 2. Choose a restore destination. You can choose restore to NAS share or file server. Here, I choose to restore to NAS share to do a demonstration. Select the target NAS share. In the Restore Path field, you can choose to either restore the data to the original path or manually select a new path. After setting up the restore destination, click Next. Step 3. Configure the restore strategy in details. If you want to limit the restore speed and not let it take up too much network bandwidth, you can define a max speed for data transmission in the speed controller. And in advanced strategy, you can set 1 to 32 transfer threads for a single backup job. Please note that multi-threaded transmission can indeed improve backup job efficiency, but it will also occupy the resources of the server. So the number of threads should be set reasonably according to the actual situation. After that, click Next. Carefully review the details of the job and click Submit. Once the job has been created, you will be redirected to the Monitor Center Jobs page, and the NAS Restore job will be listed here. Just click the job name, and you can monitor the job processing status in real time. After this, you can browse the restored files or folders from the selected NAS shares or hosts and the selected path. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.